This new tool from Kittl is just insane. Alright, give me 10 seconds and you'll be impressed. I'm gonna screenshot this design like this and paste it on Kittl and come here and type replicate this design. Wait around 20 seconds, 25 seconds. And look at this. But listen, this is not the way we're gonna be using this new tool. Of course, you already know it's gonna be a copycat design. If we do this, the original design will take yours down easily and could even close your account, so never steal designs. But there is a way you can use this that's gonna allow you to have a brand new original design idea. But let me first explain this new Kittl tool to show you how exactly it works. It's called Kittl Flows. Okay, go here to Kittl and choose any template. Just as an example, let's go with this one. Click use template, and that's where you use the tool. Add a smart board, but before you add it, make sure you click the artboard to have it selected like this. Then add a smart board. And now you just say what you want to change in this area, describe your edits. Let's say change the skull to a motorcycle and generate. You just have to wait around 25 seconds and this is the result. Like, it's really good. It kept the same text, the same style, and changed only the skull as described. Now let's say you want to keep the motorcycle and change the entire style of the design. You could do that. Select this new artboard as a reference design, then click add smart board. So it's connected like this. And let's say now change the style to minimalist. Wait again around 25 seconds. And this is what we got. Like, one click changed the entire style of the design. The fonts, the graphics, everything changed to that specific style. When you're done and you want to use that design, click on convert to image and from here vectorize it. And now you're gonna be able to change it and edit it however you want. Let's say you want to make a second design with an entire different style. Select now the first artboard as a reference and click add smart board. Just look at this line to know what's the reference design. Okay, this time I'll type change the style to a kawaii style. I mean, you don't really have to come up with any kind of prompt here, simply type what you want. And look at this, the style change is just perfect, like it matches everything from the fonts to the graphics to the colors too. Of course, the niche ride or die doesn't really suit this kawaii style, so why not change the entire text? Start by selecting the new artboard as a reference now and click add smart board. Let's say change the text to just a girl who loves motorcycles. And look at the result, the style works well with this niche. Now what I'm gonna be doing with this tool personally is taking top sellers on some evergreen niches, I'm talking like jobs, hobbies, and take their selling designs and change their style to an upcoming event. Halloween is what I'm currently working on, so let me show you an example. Start by making a new artboard just like this, then go to Amazon and search any evergreen niche and take a good selling design there. So I'm using this one, school librarian. I will screenshot it and copy it into the artboard I made in Kittl. Now make sure the artboard is selected and click add smartboard. So all I'm gonna type is make this design into Halloween style. Then generate and wait a little bit. Take a look at this. It kept the same rainbow style, but it's a Halloween theme with the graphics and colors all related to Halloween. Here was a text mistake in power, so I made a new smart board and typed fix the text in power, and it's fixed just like that. This is truly amazing. It's gonna be a great time saver when it comes to designing in the future. Alright, using the same first artboard, create a new smart board and this time make this design into a Christmas style. And this is a decent result. The background color is not the best, white will work better here. But you get the idea of how powerful this new tool can be. I did more ideas with this and the results gets better every time. Like the same librarian niche, I took this design and with a simple change this into a Halloween style, I got this result. And it changed the text too from library day to Halloween without me needing to type it. That's personally how I'm gonna be using this tool since I'm focusing now on Q4, especially Halloween 3 months from now. And I'm definitely making future videos about this tool because it's game changer for every print-on-demand seller. You can also go to Kittl Flows section to see other examples of what this tool can do. And by the way, you can try this tool for free. Yes, it's currently free. Go ahead and test it yourself. You'll find the link in the description.